Hello, this is Darren from Patient Notes. Just wanted to show you our new prompt importer build tool. Now, it can be used to create prompts as well as revise your existing prompts. So to access, you've got a couple of different ways that you might use this. If we're in our normal prompt section, what you'll find is there's a new button called import. Now, what that gives you then the option to do is to go in and create prompts from scratch. Work with them and optimize the language style and tone and format, add in things, remove things, just customize them as you would do if you're reaching out to us to help. You can also edit existing prompts. So let's say, for example, I have my initial prompt here, and what you will now find is previously you could go in and sort of type some edits or just hack around there. What we've really done is sort of made this more of an interactive process. So let's just say we want to go down here and say, I want to add in patient's name and session time. Add in a prompt for session time and date and patient name. And what we might do there is just say first name only. So this is very much like if you're giving feedback to me to adjust your prompts for you. Then go in and submit that feedback. We might also say, organize this in SOAP format. Now, the good thing is there, it'll now take probably about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll see the little generating bubble working through this process, and you can have unlimited times where you interact with that prompt. So if you want more detail about an examination, so here it's added that in now. The great thing is now that the version here will pick up that from your session name and the date. So that's part of this upgrade. If you wanted to say here, like I don't actually like that grip strength testing, exclude example for grip strength. Yeah, let's just put that in there. So exclude example for group strength. So you'll see that now, whether it be any examination type, you can then just work through it, give all of this information, and now it's actually removed that grip strength side of things. The more you iterate and get involved with it, in the same way if you're working with another AI tool such as ChatGPT, the better it's going to be. You might limit it, you might make it more concise, and so on. Once you've done and made as many changes as you like, click Save. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to go into another prompt template, and let's just say I want to choose a follow-up exam, and it might be, actually I'll choose a women's health one. Women's health follow-up. So here I am, I've got an examination. I could add that to my prompt to start off with and then revise, or this might be a prompt that I've got in my current practice management system. It might be something that you've got in Nuke or Clinico, Gentoo, whatever it might be that you're using to add in. And we're going to start a prompt from scratch here. So if I then go into my prompt templates, import, what am I going to call it? So I'm going to call it women's follow-up, women's health, and I'll just, for clarity, I'll just call it version 1.0. I can just simply paste in a sample of those notes, whether it be one that I've already got completed. Now, we do say, if you're using an existing sample of a note that you'd love it to look like, just exclude your personal information. Now, it will redact that anyway, and it's all secure. However, what you want to do there is just paste them straight into here and then click the Generate Prompt button. And then now what it will do, even if this didn't have context around it, it's going to optimize it based on your profile. Do the exact same thing, make briefer. And we might sort of, again, just, what have we got here? Yep, that'll be fine. Let's just say make briefer and just generate. So I tend to find that working through it 3 or 4 times will get the output that you would obviously like. Once you're happy with it, save it. We've found the feedback on this is amazing because it gives you the chance to really tailor it. You can use wording such as make use dot points, make more paragraph under subjective, with exercise or education, add these kind of links in or add the format that you would like. So ultimately, the summary of there is it gives you the ability to edit and improve on your existing versions. And most importantly, it helps you to create new ones. And you can even do new ones from scratch where you really start the process early. So what we might sort of say here is just go, okay, now I'm going to just say SOAP vestibular notes. And please create vestibular SOAP notes with emphasis on education, assessment, and education. Now, what it's going to do here is it's actually now going to build a version for you, and then you can start to build out from there. So you might not know where you want to go with your notes. You just want to start to improve it. So here it's starting to do really good things with appearance and imaging and so on, and then just get in deep and start to improve it. This we feel is a real game changer for optimizing the notes for you without having to rely on any other tools or support. We would love your feedback. So work with the tool, give us feedback. Our goal is to keep improving this. So we hope you appreciate this as much as we've enjoyed making it.